All right, SaleCore is a powerful listing marketing platform that gives your agents the ability to send out awesome listing inventory directly to their clients right from SaleCore. So let's say I want to send a listing out to an entire group of contacts. I can simply select the listing that I want to send out. I select share. I select email. Now I can select the specific group of contacts that I want to send out to. So then I give it a subject, right? Just listed. Okay, then I have my listing detail page here. I hit send. Presto, comes right into all of my contacts databases right here. When the clients click on view the listing, it drives them right back to the agent's detail page of that listing on their website, along with, if they haven't registered, a pop-up registration form that now captures that lead, right? So all the friends and family that are forwarding these emails to their friends and family gives the agent the ability to get more registered leads.